In this video, we'll uncover the 15 Stoic rules that can help you become everyone's top priority, not through manipulation, but by living a life of virtue, wisdom, and integrity. These timeless principles will guide you in earning the respect and admiration of those around you, making you a person people naturally gravitate towards. If you find value in these Stoic insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that will transform your life. Practice virtue. Living virtuously isn't just about following a moral code, it's about embodying the highest standards of character in everything you do. Whether you're in the spotlight or behind the scenes, let your actions speak volumes about who you are. A virtuous person is one who consistently acts with honesty, courage, and kindness. By making virtue your foundation, you become a beacon of trustworthiness, someone others look up to and rely upon. When people see you making the right choices, even when it's difficult, they'll naturally prioritize you because they know you're a person of principle. Embrace responsibility. Taking responsibility means more than just owning up to your actions. It's about actively seeking ways to contribute positively to every situation. When challenges arise, don't shy away or pass the buck. Instead, step up, take charge, and provide solutions. By demonstrating a strong sense of ownership, you show others that you're dependable and capable of handling whatever comes your way. People gravitate toward those who don't just talk about getting things done, but actually make things happen. In a world where many avoid responsibility, being the one who embraces it will set you apart as indispensable. Maintain composure. In the face of adversity, maintaining your composure is a superpower. When everyone else is losing their cool, your ability to remain calm under pressure becomes a lighthouse guiding others through the storm. It's not about suppressing your emotions, but rather about mastering them so they don't control you. Composure is contagious. When others see you handling stress with grace, they'll look to you for stability and reassurance. Your calm demeanor in chaotic situations will make you the go-to person when things get tough, elevating your status as a trusted leader. Cultivate wisdom. Wisdom isn't just about accumulating knowledge, it's about applying that knowledge in a way that benefits both yourself and others. Take time to reflect, learn, and grow from every experience. Seek advice, read widely, and never stop asking questions. As you cultivate wisdom, you'll find that people start coming to you for guidance and insight. Your ability to provide thoughtful, well-considered advice will make you a valuable resource in any circle. The wise are sought after because they can see the bigger picture and help others navigate life's complexities with clarity and foresight. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to truly understand and connect with others on an emotional level. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes and feeling their experiences as if they were your own. By showing genuine empathy, you build deep, meaningful relationships based on trust and mutual respect. People are drawn to those who listen without judgment and who can offer support when it's needed most. When you demonstrate empathy, others will prioritize you because they know you care about them, not just as acquaintances, but as individuals with unique experiences and emotions. Be just. Justice is about fairness, equity, and treating others with the respect they deserve. It's about making decisions that are right, even when they're not easy or popular. When you are consistently fair in your dealings, others notice. They see that you don't play favorites or act out of self-interest, but instead, strive to create an environment where everyone is treated with dignity. This fairness earns you respect and loyalty. People will prioritize you because they know you'll stand up for what's right, ensuring that everyone gets a fair shake. Practice patience. Patience is the art of waiting without frustration, of giving things the time they need to unfold naturally. In a fast-paced world, patience is a rare and valued trait. It's easy to react impulsively or to push for quick results, but patience shows a deeper understanding of life's processes. When you practice patience, you demonstrate maturity and self-control, qualities that others admire and trust. Your patience will make you the person people turn to when they need someone who won't rush to judgment, but will take the time to understand and find the best course of action. Be grateful. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's an attitude of appreciation that permeates your entire outlook on life. When you practice gratitude, you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, and this positive energy radiates outward. Expressing genuine thanks for the contributions of others makes them feel valued and important, which in turn fosters stronger relationships. Gratitude also reminds people of their worth and the positive impact they have on your life. As you become known for your gratefulness, others will naturally prioritize you, drawn to your positive and affirming presence. Communicate clearly. Clear communication is the cornerstone of effective relationships. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Aim to express yourself in ways that are direct yet considerate, ensuring your message is understood without causing unnecessary friction. Whether in a personal or professional context, clarity in communication helps prevent misunderstandings and builds trust. People appreciate those who can articulate their thoughts clearly and are more likely to prioritize someone whose communication is consistent and reliable. When you're clear and concise, others will seek you out for your ability to simplify complexity and provide direction. Act with purpose. Living with purpose means aligning your actions with your deepest values and long-term goals. It's about knowing why you do what you do and staying committed to your mission, even when the going gets tough. When you act with purpose, you inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect that motivates and energizes those around you. People are drawn to individuals who have a clear sense of direction and who aren't easily swayed by distractions or trivial pursuits. By consistently acting with purpose, you become a leader and a source of inspiration, making you someone others want to prioritize in their lives. Avoid complaints. Complaining is easy, but it rarely leads to positive outcomes. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, channel your energy into finding solutions and improving the situation. When you avoid complaints, you set a tone of positivity and proactive problem-solving that others will admire. People are naturally drawn to those who uplift and inspire rather than drag others down with negativity. By choosing to be solution-oriented rather than complaint-focused, you position yourself as a constructive force in any environment. This attitude makes others more likely to prioritize you because they know you'll contribute positively to their lives. Practice humility. Humility is about recognizing your strengths without boasting and acknowledging your weaknesses without self-deprecation. It's the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you don't need to be the loudest voice in the room to be heard or respected. When you practice humility, you make space for others to shine, which creates an atmosphere of mutual respect and collaboration. People are naturally drawn to those who are humble because they feel seen and valued in their presence. Humility also keeps you grounded and approachable, making it easier for others to connect with and prioritize you. Seek the common good. Prioritizing the common good means thinking beyond your personal interests and considering how your actions affect others. It's about making decisions that benefit the larger community, not just yourself. When you consistently act with the common good in mind, people notice your selflessness and integrity. This approach builds a strong sense of trust and respect, as others see you as someone who truly cares about the well-being of the group. By putting the needs of others alongside your own, you become someone others prioritize because they know you'll act in the best interest of all. Embrace simplicity. Simplicity is the art of focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the excess that distracts from your goals. In a world full of noise and clutter, simplicity is refreshing and liberating. It allows you to live more intentionally and to be present in the moment. When you embrace simplicity, you demonstrate a clear sense of purpose and direction, free from the distractions that often cloud judgment. People are drawn to this clarity and focus, as it brings a sense of calm and order to their lives as well. By living simply, you show others that you value what's essential, making you a priority in their lives. Be consistent. Consistency is the glue that holds all these principles together. It's about showing up day after day, regardless of the circumstances, and staying true to your values and commitments. When you are consistent, others know they can count on you. You become a pillar of reliability, someone who is dependable in both good times and bad. Consistency builds trust because it shows that your actions and words are aligned and that you are someone who honors your commitments. This reliability makes you a top priority for others, as they know they can always rely on you to be there when needed. By integrating these expanded and dynamic Stoic principles into your life, you become someone others look up to and someone they deeply value and prioritize.